Can you tell us about the time your father got shot in the book I read about?
Oh, yeah. We were living at 725 Harrison Street at that time. At that time, there's no bill. Okay, brother wasn't born yet. There's Lai Hong, Lai King, Lai Hua, Nellie, Leslie, and Flo. Okay, we were at school. Lai Hong and I were at school, 1941. And the next door neighbor came to school, and the principal came to the room and said, "You have to go home with this lady." And we didn't know what the reason was. So we dashed home. My mother was crying inside, and the neighbors were all around. So what happened, Mama? What happened? Oh, you know, Bing Fook, that's the name of the person. Bing Fook shot your father. And right now, your father, ambulance took him to the hospital. And so therefore, I do not know what happened. My mother, that day, Bing Fook came to visit Mama, Papa, okay? And my mother was very courteous. This is what she told me. And said, "Will you come in, have a cup of tea and something?" And he said, no. He was very abrupt with her. And he said, "I want to talk to Sam." That's my father's American name. So they went back inside to one of the back rooms, and they were arguing about something. See, my father borrowed some money from the family association. Because of the time that we never had enough to eat, and we had a lot of debts, and he thought that he would be able to pay them back. But he didn't have enough money to pay him back. So the association gave him many opportunities to do that. But my father said, "I don't have any money. I wish I could pay you back." So finally, the association officer said, "You know, we have to send somebody like a hatchet man." During those days, they called a hatchet man. We have to send somebody, threaten him. And he was a G also. He was supposed to be a relative, you see. So he took it upon himself, he carried a gun with him. But Mama didn't know. And so anyway, Mama heard the yelling in the back, and then Mama heard bang, 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 bang. And she knew something was wrong. And then in the meantime, he dashed out, the assailant dashed out. And my mother knew Mama was sick, was lying on the floor. But she didn't stop to help him. She ran after him. She kicked off her Chinese slippers, and she yelled at the top of her voice. And she said, "Oh, Bing Fook shot him." People in Chinatown all knew us, you see. Because they were running, my mother was chasing them until they got to 9th Street. And two young men, maybe your age, heard Mama yelling. They knew Mama, so they stopped him, okay? They grabbed the man, and then the police was called, and the police took him to jail. And by the way, that young man's wife and I are good friends today. Really. And so anyway, it was terrible. He was in the emergency hospital for 72 hours. And the doctor said, "It's touch and go, touch and go, touch and go. We don't know what's going to happen to Sam." But he survived. But it took him a long time to recover.